it's Irene here, the Black Hiking Queen, and I am in New Hampshire with my friends. Say hi to the vlog! We are in New Hampshire. We're about to get on a rail rider, that's what it's called. And it looks like it's going to be fun.
Going forward.
It's so loud because we're right by the road, but we're gonna do a hike today and I'm so excited. I wish y'all could be here so y'all could see, but the colors are amazing. It is absolutely breathtaking. It is so beautiful. I can hear the sounds of the water flowing. Wow, gorgeous. This is a little workout. Made it up. This is White Mountain. And there's nothing to see. The highest recorded wind is in this mountain, 250 miles per hour.
Yeah, let's do that. There's a sign up at the top.
So scared. You were so so scared.
Were you? Never knew clouds.
Yes.
It is so extremely foggy up here. Wow, so beautiful. There's a line here to go take a picture with the summit sign, so that's where we're headed. So this is Mount Washington, and it sits at 6,288 feet, I think. You can actually hike here if you want to hike up the mountain, but we just decided to drive up here. It's just a lot better. But yeah, you can see. We are about to head back down. This mountain is actually considered to be one of the most dangerous mountains with the most dangerous weather, actually. The most dangerous weather recorded in the world is located here. So if you come here, just be prepared, bring your jacket, because it is cold. It's such a great experience to at least drive up or hike up. Actually, you can actually hike up here, so yeah. We are about to head back down, and then we're gonna go check out some other sites in the area. And what'd you say, Alex?
I hope we eat first.
Alex said, I hope we eat first.
Why?
Hey y'all, today has been a wonderful day. Yeah, maybe. We are gonna get some pizza. This is Mary's Pizza. It's a little pizza joint. And we're gonna get some pizza. I like it.
It's really nice.
You like it? That's what Alex cooked.
Oh yeah.
The jukebox. That actually works. Hey guys, good morning. It is another beautiful day here in New Hampshire, and we are getting ready to leave and go do some more exploring today. We stayed at this really cute house here in New Hampshire. Wow, it's a foggy morning. Very foggy. But it's really beautiful. So we're just packing up to head to do some more exploring. I am excited to take y'all along this day. Let me show you the house. It's so cute. So this is the White Mountain National Forest, and we are making a couple of like scenic stops today. So the first one is this Lower Falls. That's what it's called. So we're gonna go check it out. New Hampshire is absolutely beautiful. Guys, I love it here. And I want to move here, honestly. It's so beautiful. So this is Kelly. I'm hiking with the Seagulls family. That's Walter, Chris, Michael. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. Hi. Okay. And we're missing Alex. Where's Alex? Oh, he's up there. Alex is up there. Also. They are the wonderful Sabbaday family.
That's the accident-prone child.
Accident, yeah. And then this is Chris. He's already fallen twice on this trip, so we gotta watch out for him. This is probably the most beautiful place I've ever been to during the fall. It is absolutely beautiful, and it's only the beginning of October, y'all. And it looks so beautiful. Actually, it's not even October yet. Today is, what day is it? Today is September 29th, and it's already peak fall here in New Hampshire. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. Is that it's a drone. Guys, I hear a drone. First I thought it was like a beam. It's a drone. So I'm walking over here to this rock to look at this beautiful view. Check this out. We are at the airport and we have reached the end of our trip, sadly. So yeah, we are about to go home. Just waiting for this plane to start boarding. We are riding Spirit. And this is my second time riding Spirit, and honestly, I haven't had any issues. I know a lot of people complain about Spirit, but I haven't had any issues, so I don't know. We'll see how this trip goes. But yeah, we had a great time. We did so much in New Hampshire, and I'm low-key sad to be leaving because there's so much to do in New Hampshire. So if you want to plan a trip to New Hampshire, I highly recommend it because it is way too beautiful. And we actually came at the perfect time. That's it for this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment, and I will see you on the next adventure.